Hopefully, everyone is having a great weekend so far. Now, before we get into the show, I really do want to thank all my subscribers. I really do appreciate you guys tuning in on this beautiful Sunday afternoon. All right, with that said, let's go into the three stocks that look extremely promising going into the week. And the first one is HTH, right up here on your screen. All right, as you can see, HTH had a really nice gap up on Friday, rather. Looks really good. It's right above this value area high, guys. Now, if you know me and you know how I like playing these value area high games and a move above this, you can take a look at this chart real easily and see, well, there's a lot of inventory right here, guys, right? But this is a little misleading. All this inventory or shares traded was prior crash right here before it sent the stock plummeting all the way down to 11 bucks. So I would think a lot or a majority of these shares are probably been already liquidated, right? So I mean, if you're buying in the 20s and you see your stock going into $11 range, you probably have sold. All right, guys. So what does that suggest? That there's going to be very little inventory above us, which means that there's not going to be that selling pressure that you would normally see in normal circumstances. So again, we're going to get above this value area high. Stock had great earnings last week of $1.69, pays a nice little dividend. Watch for a move after that first 30-minute candle on Monday to take a position, then use that entry point, the opening price as you're out. Okay, guys, that's HTH. Now, if this is the first time you're watching the show, that is my MO. That's how we play the game. We watch that first 30-minute candle. We take a position. Once it breaks above that, and then we use that opening price as our out. Now, again, if it doesn't meet that criteria, all these names that I do say, are a no play, okay, for a lack of a better word. All right, let's go into the next one. Next one's PLL. Been watching this one for a while. In fact, I played it in the past. Chart doesn't look that spectacular. It's still above this 50-day moving average. If you know the name, you do know they made a nice deal with Tesla. That's why the gap and go all the way to 54 bucks. Now it's pulled back, and now it looks a little intriguing to me. One chart that looks really, really good would have to be that 9 SMA chart here on the weekly. Let's bring that up real quick. Here we go. There we go. Okay, guys, you take a look. Made that gap, made that $54 high, pulled back. Right now, it's going to be touching this 9 SMA on the weekly right here come Monday. So you use that. Now, guys, again, first 30-minute candle, you're a buyer. If not, it goes lower than Friday's low. It's not. It's going to be a no buy. It's imperative that this 9 SMA holds. Okay, guys, it's got to hold. Now, again, if it starts getting below this 9 SMA, stock goes down to $1.50. I'm going to be watching this 50-day moving average right here of right about 17 and a half or so, 1760 as an entry into the name, probably midday if it starts breaking below Friday's low. Okay, guys, that is PLL. Last stock on the list is probably going to be the most risky of all three names, WWR. Here's another one, had a big gap or a big run all the way to $14 from that, those lows of like $2, $3. Now it's pulled all the way back down to this close to this 50-day moving average right here. Looks extremely intriguing. Watch that first 30-minute candle. If it can take that out on the upside, use that opening price as you're out, guys. Because I do like also on that 9 SMA chart, if you take a look, it's held that really nicely last week, and now it's set to go. We've had really nice volume on this name through that whole spike, which suggests to me there's a lot of shares being traded, bulls and bears fighting for this. So if we start seeing a move above that first 30-minute candle, maybe a move above Friday's high, this really can fly. All right, guys, WWR, watch it. Okay, thank you so much. I try to make this quick and short. I know you guys are busy, and I do appreciate you guys tuning in and watching. Again, my name is Eric. You can reach me at eric@valueareatrader.com, or you can just leave a comment right down there below on YouTube. All right, everyone, have a beautiful remainder of the weekend. We will see you Monday after the close. Again, my name is Eric, and if you're not a subscriber, please go ahead and do so. I think you will gain a lot of valuable information from my technical analysis. All right, everyone, have a great evening, and we will see you Monday after the close. All right, good night.